Rethink ordinary, boring cooking utensils and make cooking fun again with Centervs' whimsical human-shaped utensil set. This 6-piece set includes an ice cream scoop, whisk, spatula, potato masher, basting brush, and pasta server. Centervs Utensils' colorful and playful design is perfect for getting kids into the kitchen and making lasting memories with them for years to come. They make teaching kids to cook simple because of their easy grip handles and suction cup legs. Less spills mean less mess. They are not only fun, but you can rest easy knowing that they are safe for your family. We craft your cooking set with flavorless, GMO-free, and food-safe silicone, so you can savor each bite. The cooking set is extremely durable as well. The tools are heat-resistant up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and will never crack, warp, or melt. And they are a breeze to clean. You will not regret purchasing these for your family